Hi everyone, so you guessed it, I'm in the airport right now. Actually, Terminal 2 of Incheon Airport in Korea. It's the newest airport that's open this year. Of course, I'm here with my MAVIC AIR. So let's use MAVIC AIR to film something good in the newest airport. Because I actually wanted to buy Osmo Mobile too, but it's currently out of stock. So I thought, oh, I might as well get like $10 piece from AliExpress and test it out whether I can use this MAVIC AIR, which has 3-axis gimbal, as my stabilizer. In the airport, I felt so rushed, so I didn't really have time to show you guys the setup of this little handheld device for MAVIC AIR. And just to tell you what it feels like, it's very, very cheap looking plastic. I mean, it's like some cheap styrofoam part that can be taken off. But there is a benefit of the cheap plastic. It's super light. It doesn't hurt at all. So how you assemble it together is take out the middle plastic and then 2 pieces come out. And then here's my MAVIC AIR. Okay, what on earth I have yellow rubber? Well, first I wanted to get a cover because propeller part will be taken off and then this will be exposed. I ordered white one, not yellow one. They just sent me yellow one from AliExpress. I don't really recommend people to buy stuff from AliExpress, but it is like the cheapest place. The front arms out, put this in. And actually in the plastic there is like a thin layer of like styrofoam. So it sort of protects MAVIC AIR, which is great. And in the thinnest part, it fits perfectly. This mobile phone holder. I mean, if you want to have mobile phone facing you away from the camera of MAVIC AIR, then you can put it like this. And you can do it the other way around if you want to sort of take selfie with drone. I'll try both ways and show you what's the result. This is the total setup. I mean, it's pretty sturdy. So let's get back to the airport and see whether you can use MAVIC AIR in the airport. I'm sure you can. Whether this can be a replacement of Osmo Mobile 2. I really wanted to buy Osmo Mobile 2, but it's sort of still not in stock. So I thought, oh, might as well, I'll just get this $10 device and see whether this can be a replacement. With the handheld setup, I'm first trying to use the device as if I would fly a drone in a straight trajectory, and it works pretty fine. But I also noticed that indoor the light is pretty dark and MAVIC AIR, even in the auto mode, does not really adjust well in the dark. Terminal 2, the most interesting thing was actually the Samsung Galaxy showroom. And I was able to play some VR games, which actually kind of wanted me to get VR headset again, but I'll probably wait. And they also showcased their newest S9. I thought their like super slow mode is probably the most desirable feature, and I was able to get some VR emoji, which I found it amusing but not that impressive. The next test that I did was moving around the drone as if I'm using gimbal with a mobile phone. I do have smooth cues, so I'm actually using it in a way I would like move around my mobile phone in a gimbal. But unfortunately, like, it was very jerky. I'm not entirely sure, maybe because like drone is more intended to fly like straight. I wasn't terribly impressed with it, and I don't really think it can be a replacement for a mobile phone and gimbal combination. The third test I did was whether I can use it like a selfie, mobile phone and gimbal combination. And I'm really sorry for my face overwhelming the screen. I wasn't terribly happy with the result, so let's just skip. Another fun feature that I saw in the airport, this like huge wavy display where you can insert your face by taking a picture. Look, that's me. Hi! And the last test I did, which was actually the first test I ever did in this kind of combination, was taking it to the most busy area in Hong Kong. And so many Wi-Fi signal that I actually could not connect my Wi-Fi with mobile phone, and I couldn't use the setup at all. Anyway, I hope this video helped you guys save up about $15 of your pocket. Actually, there's nothing wrong with the device itself. It is just as described in the seller's page. I just don't think MAVIC Air is to be used like on land in the way that I tried today. So let's just continue flying MAVIC Air, and I'll probably try to see how I can use my Doyoon Smooth Q again. But more MAVIC Air accessories coming up very soon. I mean, yesterday this one just arrived. Filter for MAVIC Air. I bought this from Taobao at 420 RMB. It has 6 filters, UV, ND4, 8, 16 and 32 and CPL. So let's see how this one fares in the beautiful scenery that I'll be seeing next week. So please do subscribe and like this video. See you!